Hi, I'm Michelle D'Souza, and I was the main developer on the UI Options component. UI Options, together with the Fluid Skinning System, or FSS, puts the power of customization into the hands of users. This allows designers to build an interaction that works well for most people, and allows individual users to refine the interaction to their needs. There are two categories of options that are currently available in the UI Options component: easier to see and easier to find. Let's start exploring the component by changing the font style. We'll also change the contrast. Let's use high contrast inverted, and we'll remove the background images. As you can see, as I change the settings, the effect of the new selection is immediately visible in the preview pane. The content of this pane is completely customizable, and you'd likely want to use content that reflects your site. Let's save these preferences. Now you can see that these preferences are reflected on the entire page, not just the preview. The default method of saving the user's selections is through the use of a cookie. This, like many things in Infusion, is customizable. Let's try the simplified layout option. Selecting this linearizes the page, which can be very useful, particularly when using a large font. If you're not happy with your changes, you can cancel them, which will return you to your last saved settings. You can also reset your settings back to the initial state and save them. Let's take a look at the Easier to Find section. Here we can add a table of contents to the page or highlight links and inputs. Now I'm going to show you another example. This example shows UI options in a dialog that is activated by the Edit Appearance button. As you can see, the preview pane has been customized to match the example. Let's set the minimum text size. Change the text spacing, and we'll change the line spacing too. Most of the user interface transformations that you've just seen are accomplished through the use of FSS. You can customize this if you'd like to, changing the effect a setting has on the user interface. I hope this was useful, and thanks for listening.